Hi and welcome into this new video. Today I'm sharing 3 simple recipes that you can make with apples, spice recipe also with a chocolate, and also high protein recipes. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi, my name is Mistura. I'm holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner, and on my YouTube channel I share recipe to help people build muscles, lose body fat, feel energized, get their health and wellness goal. So I share simple, easy recipe, yummy recipe, because I don't believe any kind of restrictions. And this recipe, it's amazing for fall. It's full of apples, and I know how we can have a lot of apples during the fall and winter time. So I show you guys 3 ways to cook them, to use them with a yummy sweet recipe, really simple, easy recipe. So if you do love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You get the recipe on my blog, so I put the link on the description box below. You get my free guide where I teach people how to build a healthy plate. You get my books and ebooks as well available. I release my 28 days high protein program, so if you're interested, go and check the links, and also my coaching programs. So everything will be on the description box below. Don't forget to check out. And if you do like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's start with our apples recipe. First recipe that I have to share is a simple and easy apple crumble. So in 2 ramekins, I'm adding some diced apples. Any kind of varieties of apple works. I did use a yellow apple. Then I'm adding a little bit of water, so you can use water or lemon juice. I'm adding a pinch of cinnamon. Then I just mix everything to combine. You can use any kind of winter fall spices of your choice. So in a different bowl, I'm adding some almond flour, coconut sugar, any kind of sweetener. I'm adding cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and some butter. And I'm just gonna mix everything together. The butter has to be at room temperature, so I really take my time to combine the butter, the spice, the sugar, and the almond flour together. And once it's done, I just put it over my ramekins on top of the apples. And here is the result. Now it's going in the oven, and they're all ready after that I remove them from the oven. So yeah, here's the final result. The apples are juicy and tender, and the top is nutty and crusty. The second recipe is a really simple apple cake. So in my food processor, I'm adding a diced apple, and I'm gonna crack egg in my food processor, and I'm adding some cacao powder and also some baking soda. Then I'm just gonna blend everything together to get my chocolate cake dough. This is how it's supposed to look like. Everything is well combined together. It looks like a puree. And then I'm taking 2 ramekins and I just pour the mixture on it. You can do a single serve, so put everything in the same ramekins, but I just wanted to have 2 cakes. So this is how it looks like before it goes in the oven. You have a puree consistency, and this is how it looks after the oven. So it's well cooked. It's really tender and moist. The dough really hold it together, so it's time to enjoy this easy cake. Last recipe that I have to share is a high protein one. It's amazing for a high protein healthy snack during the fall time. So in my heated skillet, I'm adding a diced apple. I use honey crisps. I'm adding some walnuts, cinnamon, and some coconut sugar, and a little bit of water. So go check the link below. The full recipe is on my blog and I put the link in there. So I just mix everything together over low medium heat. Then I cover to let it simmer, and meanwhile my apples were cooking. I will make the yogurt. So in the bowl I'm adding some plain yogurt, some protein powder, but that's totally optional, and a little bit of a vanilla extract, and I mix everything together to combine. And then I put it into another plate. I just lay all the yogurt in there, and then I top with my cooked walnut apples. And yeah, here's this simple, easy, high protein fall snack that you can have during the fall time or anytime you want. So this is the end of this video where I share 3 recipes that you can make using apples. So if you're craving something fancy with fall spices, you get the apple crumble. If you're craving chocolate, you got the 3 ingredients chocolate cake that nobody can miss. This cake, it's just so easy and so simple. And if you want a healthy high protein snack, you get the apple pie, the high protein apple pie recipe as well. This last recipe, the apple pie with Greek yogurt, I have to admit that I make this every week. Like, to be honest, I really do. So the link for all the recipe is on my blog, and I put the link on the description box below. You get the link for my coaching programs, the link for my free guide where I teach people how to build a healthy plate, when to eat fat, when to eat carb, and when to eat protein. So go and check. And I also write books and ebooks as well, the link in there. I just released my 28-day high protein meal plan, so go and check. Everything is on the description box below. I hope you do like this video. So if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again for our next video. Bye.